Wish you a very good morning, students. Today I am here with a new grammar topic, that is nouns. So nouns are naming words. In this word, that everything which has a name is called noun. Words used as name of person, place, animal or thing are nouns. In person we can take doctor, teacher, father, and places example school, park, bank, animals, dog, elephant, cat. Things are chair, ball, books. Sometimes we can call the things idea to idea also. As we have seen here, these are the objects which we can see: chair, ball, books. But to idea we can't see, but that also can come in the category of things. Like we can say love, honesty, happiness. These can't be seen, but we can feel them and we have the idea of all these things. All nouns have a common name, and also that some nouns have a special name also. This way we can see some nouns are common and some are proper nouns. Let us see. Common nouns are general, not specific. Generally we can use few words for the things which are their common names. Everything we can see or discuss is represented by a word that names it, but it doesn't mean that we have given it some particular name. These things are recognized by these names only. Okay, like this object, round object, it is always called football, and footballs can be more than one. So for more than one things we can use common noun. Owl, guitar. Okay, we know all these objects by these names only. Okay, so common noun is the word we use for something. This is the word we use for something. This you need to take care. Like boy, cat, bridge, lake. And common noun is always written in lower case, in small letters. And proper noun, a proper noun is the name of something. Here you need to differentiate. The common noun is the word used for something, and proper noun is the name of something. Like examples are Peter, Lucky, Lake Superior, London Bridge, and proper noun is always written in uppercase. It means it begins with capital letter. Side by side comparison we can see here. Common noun, that is a word for something, and proper noun is the name of something. Word for something, there is an animal named dog. So it's a general name that is used for that animal. Okay, dog, car, lake, breeze. These are the general words we use for all these things. Okay, and their proper names can be Lucky. To dog we can call Lucky. We can give the name Brax, Rover, and car can be Ford, Jaguar, or Mini Cooper. Lake can be Great St. Lake. Bridge, there is a bridge named Tar Bridge. So that is a particular name of that bridge. Here you can see there are two baby and two, both of them we will call baby. Okay, for both of them we shall use baby word, but their names are different. So these different names are proper noun, and proper noun will start with capital letter like Ethan and Emma. Here we have the difference again. Common noun, like any painter can be called painter only, but if we call them by the name, then we can have the example Vincent van Gogh. This is a proper noun. Common noun, book. Proper noun, The Secret Garden. This is the name of that book. For any book we use book only. And for continents we use continent bird as a common noun, but if we talk about the proper one, so we can take the example Europe. Common noun month. Proper noun will be February, or you can name any month, March, April, May. Now see, this is a boy. This is a boy. Here boy word is a common noun. But if we name the boy, this is Ricky. So Ricky will be proper one. This is a dog, common noun. This is Pluto, proper one. This is a fort, common. This is the Red Fort. This is the particular name we have given to this fort. So this is a proper noun, Red Fort. This is a car. This is a Honda City, proper noun. Now we have seen the difference between common and proper nouns. Here we have few examples of proper nouns like cities. Cities is common noun. Mumbai is the proper one. Days common. Sunday proper. Months common. August proper. Festivals common. Diwali proper. In the same way others are given. Here we have an exercise. What you have to do here? We need to circle the nouns like happy. Happy is not a noun. Pillow. Pillow is a noun. So you need to circle that word. In the same way you have to do other words also. Here what we need to take care of in the series of common and proper noun, we need to take care proper nouns always are capitalized in a sentence. Downside in the box when we see Mark and I went to the park and visited the museum, here common nouns are not capitalized. Park word has not been capitalized. Museum is not capitalized, but it can be capitalized if we use it as a proper noun. Like Mark and I went to Heritage Park. Here again park word has come with the particular noun word heritage. So it becomes proper. That's why we have capitalized these words H and P. Okay. And visited the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Here art word, museum word has been capitalized because it has come with proper noun. Okay. I hope this much is clear to you, and this you need to do as practice. Here you need to color the common noun in green and you need to color proper noun in orange. This can be of your use. Now we have notebook work. Here you need to do the definition of noun and examples. Okay, person, place, animal, things. Here types of nouns, common noun and proper noun are given, and here one practice worksheet has been given. So this you need to do in your notebook. These 3 pages you have to do in your notebook. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.